হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, দিস ইজ শরীফুল ইসলাম। অনেক আগে আমি একটা ক্লায়েন্টের কাজ করছিলাম এবং তার কাছে জমে এসে কাজটা বুঝিয়ে নিয়েছিলাম এবং এই বিষয়টা আমি রেকর্ড করছিলাম। তবে আমি এই ভিডিওটা কখনো দেইনি। তবে ভাবলাম আমি এই কমিউনিকেশন কিভাবে আমি ক্লায়েন্টের কাছে কাজ নিছি, কিভাবে কাজটা বুঝিয়ে নিছি, এই সবগুলা লাইভ দেখাবো। সো এর জন্য আমি এই ভিডিওটা, পরবর্তীতে রেকর্ড করা ভিডিওটা আমি এখন দেখাইতেছি। আশা করি সবাই দেখবেন এবং ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে কিভাবে কথা বলতে হয় এগুলো সম্পর্কে আপনার একটু আইডিয়া হবে। যারা নতুন আছেন তাদের জন্য এই ভিডিওটা খুবই কার্যকর হবে আশা করি। তো চলেন জমে নিয়ে যাই ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে কমিউনিকেশনে।
Okay, done.
Good.
And please see.
Blah blah blah. Okay, so my client is wanting this thing.
Wow, lot of plugin.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to be without plugins, but all the clients wants weird stuff, so you always finding yourself install bunch of plugins. So, but
Oh.
this website is pretty fast. So what he wants, for first of all, for everything above $100, free shipping. Okay?
Yeah, $100 and free shipping.
Yes.
Okay.
For the other products, so now another condition he wants on all the 6 ProPads, like specific products, this one, this one, this one, this one. I will give you organized list. He wants fixed price for shipping, $3.99 if you buy
Please
below.
make a screenshot and
No, I will send you the icons. Don't worry. What he wants is like if you buy the pads below 5 items, you will pay total $3.99. If you buy 5 and above,
almost
it will
to
be free
$4.
shipping.
Okay, I understand.
It will be free shipping.
Okay.
And for another, and then there is some products here that it will be a fixed price, also like $3.99.
Okay.
That's the conditions, and the rest should be with UPS. So, but for all of the products above $100, it's not relevant. So there is only few products that need to be with UPS. I tell you what, I saw this plugin, okay?
Yeah.
And you have the rule here. You see, you can choose the product if cart contains product and the quantity is less or equal to 4. It's good.
Oh, already
But
you have plugin.
yeah, but the problem how I combine that with the UPS, because the UPS is here. Oh, I hate all of that complicated stuff. 1 second, I will send you
Okay, no problem, no problem.
I'm sending you the credentials to the website, so maybe you can go log in and check. The first one is the username, and this is the password.
Website username and password. Developer 1234.
Yeah, this is the website.
Okay.
So you see here in the shipping, I have the UPS, but how I combine them together? How I do this for specific product and the other with the fix?
Your shipping method UPS. I'm right.
Yeah, but yes, but now if I do the pad, it won't work.
Okay, I understand.
But how long it will take you? I need it very urgent.
One day, yeah, I understand very urgent, but one day time.
1 day?
Yeah.
Okay, let me talk with the client because to check. Okay, I check and I will check with the client also. I will let you know. I don't want you to waste your time. Do you understand what I wanted?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you.